What's the meaning of carnelian? Carnelian. Carnelian.
Carnelian. Carnelian. Carnelian is a reddish-brown mineral often used in jewelry making. The name is derived from the Latin word carne, meaning flesh, due to its fleshy or flesh-colored appearance. It is a type of chalcedony, a mineral in the quartz family. Carnelian is believed to promote courage, creativity, and motivation. It has a long history of use in amulets and talismans for protection and healing. Today, it is still popular in jewelry and is often used for pendants, beads, and other decorative items. Overall, carnelian is a unique and beautiful gemstone with rich cultural significance and spiritual symbolism.